done took off on the boys. One thing I gotta give y'all Mustang owners, bro, y'all don't give zero. All right, y'all, we out here again, another banger. Well, I hope it's a banger. Right now, I don't see so many people. It's quite a few, but it ain't like the last time. It's not like the last time, no. But we gonna see how it go. We had quite a few cats out here. The exhaust going crazy. Got a few real interesting vehicles. I'll show y'all those. Let y'all see what those look like. We gonna see what the night got for us. Let's go. Real life. They ain't going as crazy as they went last time. But I like it though. Y'all see they out here. Mini lights up. Alright, they trying to clown. They trying to act up. Yes, sir. That motherfucker sound cold, though. Cold, though. Sound like we about to be at the next spot. They revving up. I can't rev up yet because y'all know I ain't got that exhaust yet. No, it's not a party if a Camaro not attended. My bad, folks. Hey, watch out, he trying to pull out. Hey, yo, he trying to pull out. I should have told him get smoked real quick. Oh, that's that Mercedes. Be the reason we here. shit loud as hell.
Yeah.
These fellas. We got the Mopar gang here. All right, mine is Black Dog. You got Killer B. And my man surprised me with this one. He got the Magnum, but he put that bumper on the front with the lights. Nice little wrap on the side too. Hey, my man, what color is this, bro?
It's Indulgent Blue.
Who?
Indulgent Blue.
Indulgent Blue.
It's a wrap.
Yeah, I can see that. That shit look nice, bro. That motherfucker bright as hell. Y'all heard him. Indulgent Blue. We might have to put that on the Impala. That's pretty much it that's here though, low key. Alright, big dog, show out then. Show out then. Oh, my God. Oh, you did it right, though. Sounded nice and raw.
Hey, bro, you gotta get my roof. You gotta get my roof inside.
Oh, you got the lights?
Yeah, you gotta get the roof, bro. You gotta get everything.
Yes, sir. You know you got the stars. Yes, sir. You got anything you want to shout out, brother?
Yes, sir. RP 2 times, that's all I gotta say. Bro.
Okay. You see him. You know what. You see what it sounds like. He's doing it right. Bro. Hey, bro, let me see your light again. Is it on? Y'all gonna see it in a minute.
Yeah, I took my other ones off and threw some fire.
I was like, these look wider.
They golf black too though.
I know my shit ain't broke.
It's acting up just as I asked. Great. Shut dog out though. It's cold.
Open that door when that starts.
Also check dog out on the IG. This shit looking pure, super pure. You got that scat pack.
I don't know what's going on. My shit not even...
Now this one I wanted to show y'all because it's pretty unique. It's definitely a unique hookup. You got the truth on the windshield. SRT. Hey, what's good, man? I like your hookup, bro. Check dog out. He on the tube and he on IG. That boy got that alien on the side. Woo-hoo. You know he had to get some old schools out here. We gotta get one in the garage real soon, man. Real soon. But I like it though, a lot. Quite a bit. You know it's not a party if the Fusion Gang not out. Even though this is the Fusion Gang, it's a unique one over here. I'm gonna let y'all see what this unique joint look like. Hold on, it's right around the corner. It's right around the corner. What did I just step on? I just stepped on something low key. I don't know what it was. I guess it was a rock, but anyway. Oh, it's kind of cold, man. He out here doing the thing. You done put some Ford Mustang lights on the front. Yes, sir. All right, who acting up, bro? Somebody going crazy. He's about to get over there. My man's trying to get away. He done took the fuck off on the boys. He done took off on the boys. He done took off on the boys. One thing I gotta give y'all Mustang owners, bro. Y'all don't give 0 fucks. I mean 0 fucks. For sure. Alright, bet. So since dog dips, they probably gonna come back and be on our head. I'm not even gonna hold you up. But still, I mean, I low-key missed it. I'm not even gonna hold you. I ain't think my man's was gonna go that crazy. I saw him doing a donut, but I ain't know the cops pulled up. So dog did a donny, the cops pull up, and next thing you know, dog said skipping. I ain't stopping. I'm about to bounce, hit the burners, got the phone. And I think they're trying to catch him. I don't think they're gonna catch him, bro. Them little Mustangs, bro, especially them little older ones, bro, they don't got nothing to lose, bro. Nothing to lose. They go.